Okay, was a little hard to put it together, but it's in, and now I have to put the pins. Okay, next step, I'm doing this part and this part finally connect together. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. It's been like 3 days later because of rain and stuff. It's not YouTuber friendly weather nowadays. Okay, so this goes here. I don't know how to make sure it goes in though. I just wish it goes in, I guess. This is wrong side. It's this way. The pieces are so big, so it's kind of hard to film in a certain spot. Getting it. Okay, I didn't film, but I put those 2 pins in here. Now it's times 3 more times, so making 4 of those. All right, next stop, put the E1 in here and 2D in there, and put pin on both sides. Okay. E1 goes in. Okay, so I did this. Make sure that the out sign is on this side. Yeah, there's the out. And then do pins here, pins there. And then I put one E107. That was the next step, so I'm skipping this part because you might already know. But the part is E107 here and the 14 here. And yeah, just like that, and then pins and the pins, and I'll do this for 3 more times. But it's getting darker, so I think today this is it. Okay, April 16th, we got rain, but I forgot we had those O-rings here.
We got a little protection from the rain.
Yeah, we got a special guest came back. finally today.
Heck yeah, round 2, let's get it.
Right.
Hope it doesn't start pouring rain. Well, you know, springtime in the Northwest.
Oh, that thing went in without problem?
What did?
Like the other one?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, so now I need to go get this
The long,
long ones. I think I need 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay.
Oh yeah, we'll have to together on a decent day.
Yeah, well, it will be decent soon. So today, Greg helped me. We anchored this and that so that it's straight 90 degree. I kind of measured it so it would cover 10 feet this way, because that was my biggest fear, that it's not 10 feet. So I am putting in a little bit of a piece here to level it, because it's a little bit lower on this side than over there. And
Built all of those, all the side supports.
yeah. This went rather quick with the help, so that was a big change right there. So, all right, man. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
All right. Okay, so after Greg left, my buddy showed up with his girlfriend and helped me a bit. So I took this part. Yeah, they are not particularly into getting on the video, so I didn't tape it. But yeah, I did this here, and there. Oh, that was such a fun to drill here and there. I have to level it here and make sure that it's all like 90 degree, right? So here 90 degree and leveled out. And so I put another shim here, another inch thick 4x4 there. I have to like fill it in basically with that. So yeah, that's where we are at right now. So at least there's a panel in. There's a ceiling is a different parts, so we didn't put that yet over there too. So that's another day. I had to put the screw into the wall. That way it stabilizes. It's pretty tough now. So the same thing with there. Like I said earlier, I still have to cork it in. It's gotta, you know, it's pretty open, so I have to do that too. I just realized here is a hole there too, and I'm wondering if there's a corking thing comes with it, but I have to see. So anyways, that is it for today now. It's April 16th at this point. Okay, so my friend Adam helped me leveling this, and there's shims underneath about a 1 inch, and then he figured out, I didn't figure it out, how long it should be on this wood. So he cut it here and bolted it so that it won't move. I'm keeping this empty so that it works like a drain. And after that we kept moving on, and Greg and my buddy Wes here are, hey Greg.
Hey, hey.
Wes is not cool with the video, so he's not coming in, right Wes? That kept going, and then the part now is the this side of wall, which is a little more complicated, so that's what we're gonna work on now. Okay, now we're building the wall side.
Okay.
And then put those what do you call it, pillar parts or something like that.
Okay, this guy.
It's a little hard to put that in.
It's extremely hard to put that in.
Once it goes in, it's really smooth.
Okay.
Alright, so that one's done. And we now have to put the
Yeah,
pins.
the glass has got to go in first. All right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But we have to put the pins too.
Oh yep. We
Yeah.
gotta.
Get to the end of it and you're like,
Alright,
crap,
what's
this
the date
doesn't work.
today?
Today's the 17th.
17th, May 17th. We got here.
Oh, no, no,
Put a little bit of a wood here to put it together, and this is all 90 degree. And I put this one here, and then it's all going here. I have to level it and then screw it. And there's Adam. He's helping me. Well, actually, more like I am watching him helping me, but it's all screwed in to the 4x4, and that's where we are. Now we're trying to finish the wall. Right, Adam?
Yes.
Yes.
We
Thank
also
you.
had to build a foundation.
Oh yeah. So this one went all the way and a little out, so I have to put this one on the bottom so it's stable, and ended up actually going right on the house.
Show them the level.
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's pretty good. Good job, Adam. Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay, next I'm gonna do this one. There's a little metal piece going inside, so it's gonna be fun, I guess. So it looks like this side up, this side down. All right, so this side is gonna be outside, and then this one with this goes here, and then okay, the middle piece this one. Okay. And another one too. Okay. And this is 10, past 10. Okay. And this one. Another one too. Then, this one, this side down. Like that. Okay. And then of course I have to pin whole thing. Alright, next it's gonna be this one. So this goes to all the way to the end. Kind of have to be careful with the direction, because this is the outside. It's gonna go over there, like very corner. There you go. Now it's focused. So that means this side goes in. So it's gonna go this way. Oh, by the way, I bought those. There's gonna be a mat. I thought I'm gonna do gravel, but I decided not to do that. They're gonna be on the floor. There's no reason to, really. So yeah, so that's gonna be it. And like it says, we're gonna pin all that again. And I'm not gonna film that one because it's a repeat after repeat. So, but that's what it looks like. And then the next spot will be to connect all that. Like that. Looking better and better, right? And then of course I have to pin each connection. Here, 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 and here, and the other side, all that. Here and there. Then here's the next step. This panel, PN51. And get this one. This is a R10. Put it in there. And this little rubber thingy on here. Put that in. Just like that. Next step. Okay. So peel this thing. You know, for a moment I thought it's too big because the other side, the similar shapes was smaller. But then I realized that this side has no door, so of course it's a bigger piece on this side, if that makes sense. So that one is smaller than here because there's no door. So I'm just peeling the panel right now. Okay. And that's gonna go here in between. And this is R10. Yeah, R10. Yeah, R10. And on this one of the end, this piece goes in. This side in. If it's gonna focus, yeah, there you go. So it fit right in here, and this one too. And of course I'm gonna pin this here and here and here. The next step, I'll need E13, 2 of those, and B12, that's the wall side, and pin those, and then put the panels, PN53, 2 of those. Alright, those are the ones. And E13, 2 of those. Goes there. And the B12. So I tried to put that on and it was higher, so I was wondering. And there's another piece here. So this is it. This is shorter. So it should fit the height here all the way. The windows or glasses or whatever you call it doesn't have a numbering on the each piece, so it's kind of confusing. But now I know. So those two are going up there. Okay, so I didn't film this, but this clip to put in, it's really hard to do. So I needed help. My assistant was actually the father, father-in-law helped me push from this side while I'm pushing back the pin. It really needs somebody. So 2 people would definitely be a big help to do this all the way through. Now I am doing this. It's gonna go to this side, whole side.